as tension arose among the MSCs over the selection of their executive membership at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the term of 2022 to 2027. Supporters from their respective constituencies had expressed the demand of providing executive member ladder for their elected local representative. On 12th of July, around 3:30 p.m., press conference was conducted by the citizens of 24 Deopani constituency at Deopani. The press conference was called by BJP Mohila Morcha, workers of BJP from Bensing polling station and leaders from different communities. They put forward the demand to provide an executive member ladder to local MSC Sorbon Telenga. They appealed the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, to accomplish their desire.
La press meet, press person tum hansa media person tum hansa me kevang apot choro party lo nili paklang ji alam pheke la pulo ni tuma long emile sir tam sami dolo pokatan homesti pen dasi ituma non kachakoy du ni tum MSC sir Sorbon Telenga alang ni hansa me ni tum EM bang pivek
They informed that it had been a while since there is no EM word given to the representative from the Deopani constituency. This had consequently resulted in reluctant development within the constituency.
EM ba কার্যবাহী সদস্য নিজের কারণে আমার দেওপানি সমষ্টি অতি পিছ পৰিছে সেই গতিকে এইবাৰ আমি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ CM অতি মৰমৰ অতি আদৰৰ ডক্টৰ তুলিৰাম ৰংহাং দেৱক আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি শ্ৰী সৰ্বন তেলেঙ্গা দেওপানি সমষ্টিৰ যি প্ৰতিনিধি তেখেতে বহুত ভোটত জয়যুক্ত হোৱাৰ বাবে তেখেতক কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য দিবৰ বাবে আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ।
Therefore, the citizens of the Deopani constituency appeals the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, to induct local MSC of Deopani, Sorbon Telenga, in the executive member board for the term 2022 to 2027.
Lasi alang litum jongsi nilitum aphan jongsi nilitum constituency phan jongsi EM na pi pondet tulotangte nilitum rong rup towar lang ke junje to aphan mate lang kiba towa rong rup tiklar je phan ke alang li nilitum phan nang lang pon po.
Sanjay Crow's report from Deopani for Karbi Anglong Live.